Welcome back, friends. This is Amit from Fees Club Academy, and we will continue the course of Excel VBA training. So, in this video, we will tell you about the VBA interface, the Visual Basic of for Applications interface, and we will see what are the properties on the windows and what type of things you will see in the VB project window. So once you open up the Excel application, you will see this page, and first of all you need to click on the developer tab in the menu, but at this point of time you will not see the developer option in the menu. So to get the developer option, first of all you need to go to options of the Excel and click on customize ribbon, and then here you will see a developer option that is unchecked. It's not turned on, so we need to just check it. Also check the add-ins and click on OK. Now you will see at the top in the menu, you will see the developer option is available. So you need to click on the developer option and then click on this Visual Basic. Now once I hover over the Visual Basic, you can see there is a shortcut it's giving. It's Alt F11. So you can also press the Alt F11 button on the on your keyboard if you are on Windows. So you'll be able to see this window as well. So now once I click on this Visual Basic option, I see a new window over here, and this is what we call Visual Basic for Application VBA Window. So we will learn about various options in this window today in this video. So first of all, at the top you can see this is called the menu bar, and below menu bar you can see the toolbar. It's called toolbar. There are quick access tools available, and this window is called project window, where you can see the hierarchy of your project, and below that this particular window is a property window, where you can see a property of particular object. Now if you have only one sheet open, suppose this particular sheet's name is book 1, so you can see there is a VBA project for book 1. Okay, and this particular book 1 project has various objects. So first is the sheet 1. Sheet 1 is because in this particular book 1 file we can have multiple sheets, and right now we have only one sheet. So if I create another sheet, now if you'll go back to there, you can see there are 2 sheets, right? So the number of sheets you have in the project, in particular project, you can see those number of sheets as well here. So if I go and open up a new file, okay, suppose this would be my new file, which is named book 2. So if you go back to the window, you can see there is another book 2 VBA project has been created, and again whatever the sheets they would have, you can see the sheets objects as well over here. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you what is the project pan. Suppose if I double click on the sheet 1, you know, a new window is being opened in the middle. This is called the project pan, and here we will write codes for this particular object, for a particular object. So if I go and click on another object, you will see the object has been changed. And how would you be able to know? You can see at the very top in the header, you can see the name has been written. Whatever object you are selecting there, you will be able to see this particular path. So we are right now, the project pan is open for book 1 sheet 1. So that's why you can see at the top, you can confirm it by seeing here it says book 1 sheet 1. So if I will click on this sheet 1, you can see that it's written book 2 sheet 1. So whatever code I will write, that will be for this particular book 2 sheet 1 object. Okay, now property sheet, it also these properties will be shown with respect to those Excel sheets or those objects which are being selected over here. Suppose I'm selecting this one, so the properties will be shown for this particular sheet. If I will click on this, the properties will be selected, will be shown for this particular sheet. You can also toggle it from here. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you some other options. Suppose if you want to insert some module or use a form, you can directly go to insert and click on user form. You will be able to see a user form is being inserted over here. This is the toolbox for user form. If you want to create a button text box, you can simply take it from here. So let me close this and let me go to yeah, and also you can see the form object has been created over here as well in this project window. So if I will go ahead and create a module, you can see there is a module created in the project window as well. So in this way you can insert the user form modules and class modules over here. Now two things are left. The first is the immediate window, and the second one is object browser. Now what is immediate window? If I click on immediate window, you can see a small immediate window at the bottom, and this particular immediate window, what it does, whenever you ask any question, you can simply type over here and it will give you the quick answers. So we'll have a different video, a separate video for immediate window. So we'll see this immediate window in details in that video. Let me close it, and you can also get the object browser. It's a kind of library where you can read about all the objects available and what are the methods for that objects available. Suppose if I click on add-ins, you can see there are application, count, creator, item, parent. These methods are available for this particular project object. So this was the object window. If you want to close it, you can simply click on here. If you want to close this pan for book 1 module 1, you can simply click on here. So in this way you can simply close all the projects code windows in the project pan. Alright, so this was all about this video. We'll see you in the next video, and we will learn about coding and creating macros and modules. So thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Thank you. That was all about this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Freeze Club Academy. See you in the next video.